All right, guys, we have a 2016 Hyundai Accent. We're gonna change the air filter on this car, engine air filter, and this filter should be changed about every 10,000 miles. So the engine air filter goes in here, and this is a simple job. What you do is you're gonna remove this clip here. You're gonna remove this clip right here, and in the back it has a little clips that go into, not a clip like a teeth. So all you do is you grab this, you lift it up just like that, and then you yank it forward a little bit and it comes out. After that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the old filter right here, and we're gonna put the new filter in. Even though filters sometimes they look pretty clean, but you still change them after 10,000 miles because the little dirt and debris in there, that affects it from the performance of the engine. And to put it back, what you're gonna do is you're just gonna take this, you're gonna stick these back into these little ears, and then you're gonna push down, right, just like that. And then you're gonna lift up the clips, 1 and 2, and you're done. This is all like a 2-minute job. And I'm gonna show you guys the part number on this. The part number is 6200. That's the part number on this air filter. And simple, 2016 Hyundai Accent. How to change the air filter. This is the engine air filter, and we're done.